and welcome to the group interview step 4 PT Bank Mandiri Sejahtera. I'm Eviani and I will be moderating today's session. Joining us is Miss Sylvia, our head of HR, who will be conducting the interview. To kick things off, I would like each applicant to briefly introduce themselves, covering your education background and your motivation for applying for this relationship manager position. Let's start with applicant 1. Please go ahead.
Good morning, Miss Felsi and everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Fairuz, and I graduated with a bachelor degree in accounting from Diponegoro University. During my studies, I was actively involved in student association and focused on financial statement analysis and tax action. I am motivated to apply for the relationship manager position at this bank because I want to combine my financial analysis skill with my passion for helping business owners obtain appropriate and sustainable financing solution.
Thank you, Miss Fai. Next, please process applicant to Miss Aulia.
Good morning, Miss Belsi and everyone. My name is Aulia. I bachelor degree in Communication Management for Pajajaran University. I have 6 months of internship experience in customer service and sales. I'm very interested in this position because I enjoy building relationships with new people, and I believe a persuasive and solution-oriented communication approach is key to maintaining customer loyalty at this bank.
Good morning, Fai and Aulia. Thank you for your introduction as a relationship manager. You are not only responsible for finding new customer, but also for analyzing whether customers are eligible for credit and mounting good relationship so that they do not move to competitor bank. I have short case study for both of you. If the an MSMN owner who applies for a large business loan, but after analyzing the financial statement, it turned out that the collateral or guarantee is likely insufficient. What step will you take? Fai, please answer first.
For my perspective as an accounting graduate, the principle of prudential banking should always be the top priority. If a customer's collateral or financial statement do not entirely meet the basic requirements, I would not reject the application immediately. Instead, my first step would be to conduct on-site visit to the customer's business to assess its actual daily cash flow. Many small and medium-sized enterprises have poorly organized bookkeeping, yet their business are financially healthy and generates strong cash flow. If the business demonstrates solid cash flow, I would propose a safer financing structure for the bank. For example, I could recommend a patient loan disbursement based on projects milestones of suggest applying for a government-supported loan program such as KUR People Business Credit, which offer more flexible collateral requirements.
Interesting. That is good technical analysis. Fai, what about you, Aulia? What step will you take?
Thank you, Miss. Complementing 5 points from my perspective, emotional connection and education with customer are also critical. If the problem is substandard financial statement, my first step is to assist the customer in streamlining their bookkeeping so our credit analysis can get a clear picture. Furthermore, explore their other business potential. Do they have any work contract with their parties that could service an additional collateral? In my opinion, rejecting them outright will cost a potential customer in the future. Therefore, I position myself as a business partner to help them feel supported while maintaining the bank risk profile.
Both of you have present very good approaches. Fai is very strong in risk analysis and structuring, while Aulia excel in customer assistance and communication flexibility. Now, I would like to hear your view and ask other strategies. According to Aulia, what are the weaknesses of what strategy, and according to FI, what are in potential risks of Aulia strategy?
Excuse me, Miss. I think Mr. Fai's strategy is very safe for the bank. However, its weakness may lie in speed or the speed the process. If we focus directly on recruiting and bureaucracy upfront, customer won't need fund quickly may find the process to complete and end up switching to a competitor bank with a more instant process.
I agree with Aulia's points about the importance of speed. However, regarding her strategy, I believe the potential risk lies in the time commitment and work efficiency required from us as relationship managers. Helping a customer organize it and improve their bookkeeping from scratch can be a very time-consuming process. As relationship manager who are expected to achieve monthly targets, we need to manage our time wisely. If we focus too much on the education one's customer whose loan applications may not even be approved, we risk missing opportunities to develop relationship with others prospective customers who are already much better prepared from an administrative standpoint.
Excel, you complement as other very objective. This is shows that both of you are not only thinking about your own perspective, but also understand the dynamics of the banking industry. Why smooth balanced business go target with credit, quality, and production? My final question has already been answered. To your discussion, I will now return the session to the moderator.
Alright, thank you very much to Miss Sylvia for the insightful question and to Miss Fai and Miss Aulia for your solution-oriented answers. That concludes today's group interview session. We will inform you about the next step via the official company email no later than 7 working days from now. Let us wrap up the session here. Good morning and best of luck.